Good evening, everyone. Please check audio video okay or not. Yeah, those people who are watching, right? I'm going to explain today approximately 15 problems. They all are almost like gate problems or gate level problems. Definitely they are going to be useful to you. My suggestion is please have a look once. If you felt any point is interesting, you can note it down in your notes. Right? They are definitely going to be useful to you. Right? Let's start now. This is the first problem. Can you check once what will be the answer for this? Whatever I am going to teach, right? Definitely they will be useful to you. This is the first problem of today's class. Can you check once? One program is given. They are asking what will be the time complexity of this program. Right? What is the time complexity of this program? What will be the time complexity of this program? Can you check once? Yeah, I want some screen. So let's wait 1 minute. Let's wait 1 minute. Just I want some empty screen. I'm sorry for that. 1 minute. Yeah, now fine. So just I want to explain something. Right, that is the reason I took this. Okay, start now. What is the time complexity of this program? I will explain. First you try. It is a very dangerous problem. You check once. What are the time complexity of this problem? Hi Vikas. Vishal or Vikas? Yeah, hi Vikas. What is the time complexity of this problem? Can you check once? This kind of problem, one problem will come in the exam. This kind of problem, one problem will come in the GATE exam. This kind of problem, one problem will come in the GATE exam. Can you try once? For I is equal to 1, I power 5 less than or equal to n power 7 I plus plus. If I modulo 2 is equal to 0, right? For j is equal to 1, j power 27 less than or equal to n power 99, j plus plus, x is equal to y plus z, return x. What is the time complexity of this problem? Those people who are watching, instead of sitting idle, please give your response. Please give your response. Instead of sitting idle, please give your response. Don't sit idle. Definitely these are going to be useful to you. Before going to give my answer, you write your answer. Yeah, I will try. So those people who don't know, right? See one time now. See one time. Everyone listen. So there is only, I think, for loop is there. For loop for I. For loop j also. For loop I, for loop j also. Inside I, j is there. Let me check I loop. Let me check I loop is how many time. Let me check I loop is how many time. Can you help me now? I is always incrementing by 1. I is always incrementing by 1. Can you help me now? First one. First it will check I value 1. 1 power 5 is less than or equal to n power 7 or not. If condition true, again execute. I value increment by 1. So 2 power 5 is less than or equal to n power 7 or not. Next one. 3 power 5 is equal to 5 less than or equal to n power 7 or not. It will continue. Can you help me now? What the last element will pass? What the last element will pass? Last element will pass is, listen. Let us assume that last element will pass. I is always incrementing. You remember? I is always incrementing. I is always incrementing by 1, by 1, by 1, by 1. I is always incrementing by 1, by 1, by 1. Can you help me now? I value 1, I value 2, I value 3. Keep on going. Last one, listen. Last one, k power 5. Some k less than or equal to n power 7. Can you help me now? For which k value both are equal? I value incrementing by 1, by 1, by 1. K power 5 less than or equal to n power 7. For which k value both will be equal? If I write k value, right? K value, if I write n power 7 by 5. If I write k value n power 7 by 5, so n power 7 by 5 whole power 5. N power 7 by 5 whole power 5. So a power m whole power n, a power mn. 5 cancel, so n power 7. So last k value, where this condition true is n power 7 by 5. So this loop is running n power 7 by 5 times. Because further it will fail only. First time 1 power 5 less than or equal to n power 7 true. Second time 2 power 5 less than or equal to n power 7 true. Third time 3 power 5 less than or equal to n power 7 true, and so on. Right? So last time k power 5 less than or equal to n power 7, where k value is n power 7 by 5. So n power 7 by 5 whole power 5. It will become n power 7. N power 7 less than or equal to n power 7. I think it's the last time where this condition is going to be passed. So I think I loop is running n power 7 by 5 times. I loop is running n power 7 by 5 times. Can you help me now? Right? Listen everyone now. I loop is these many times okay. Every time, right? I condition verified. If it is an even number, see I value. If it is an even number, because I is always incrementing by 1. I is always incrementing by 1. Right? So even number, then only go inside J loop. Even number, then only go inside, right? Then only go inside. Can you help me now? This loop is going on. N power 7 by 5 times. This loop is going on n power 7 by 5 times. In that half time this condition true. In this half time this condition true. Am I right or not? Please verify. I value first 1. 1 modulo 2. Condition is right 2 ones, right? 2 ones 2, right? 2 0 0. So I think it's an odd number. No. Can you help me now? I value 2. 2 mod 2. Yes. I value 3. No. I value 4. Pass. I think it will goes to, right, this if condition. Listen everyone now. This if condition. You are able to come inside if condition. Condition is true half time. Each I value you are trying to go inside, but this if condition will block few people. Few people it will block. Few people it will block. Few people it will allow. Few people it will allow. Right? Approximately n by, right, n power 7 by 5 by 2. Asymptotically both are same. Every time mostly you will come inside because of this condition. Half time, that's okay. Asymptotically same. Right? Can you help me now? This loop is how many time? Can you help me now? This loop, whenever no brackets are there, one statement belongs to him. Whenever no bracket, one statement belongs to him. Whenever no bracket, one statement belongs to him. Can you help me now? This loop is how many time? I want answer from you. I value 1, condition is false. I value 2, condition is true. I came inside. So now J loop is running. Can you say J loop is how many times? Same story. What is the answer? 1 power 27 true. 1 power 27 less than or equal to n power 99 true. Next one, 2 power 27 less than or equal to n power 99 true, and so on. What is the last time? Last time is n power 99 by 27. whole power 27 is less than or equal to n power 99. Yes, this is the last one which is going to be pass. This is the last one which is going to be pass. Right? I think if you observe clearly, J loop is running n power 99 by 27. One time J loop is 99 by 27. Can I help you now? I value 1, this condition is fail. You cannot come inside. I value 2, this condition pass. I value 2, this condition is pass. Right? Then I will execute this. Can I help you now? Right? This loop is executed this much time, it's okay. But see the unfortunate thing. After completion, right? This condition true. I executed this one n power 99 by 27. Right? But afterward there is a return x. What is the meaning? Next I value, you don't go. Even though this loop is this many time, but I value 1, it is fail. I value 2, it is pass. Because of it is pass, I will go inside. It will run these many times. But next one, return x means you will go out of the function. Indication that it doesn't matter, it will repeat how many times, because anyhow return is there in between. After I value 1, I value 2, I loop is 2 times only. Actually I loop is n power 7 by 5. But after I loop is 2 times over, there is a return. So the time complexity of this program is n power only J loop. Time complexity of this program is only J loop. N power 99 by 27. Big O off. This is the answer for this. The answer of this problem is n power 99 by 27. Right? So actually I loop is n power 7 by 5. J loop is n power 99 by 27. But I loop will execute only 2 times. Actually it will execute n power 7 by 5 times. Because of return, I loop will execute only 2 times. J loop is n power 99 by 27. J loop is n power 99 by 27. Right? So I think at the end of the day, J loop matters here. Answer is n power 99 by 27. It is a really nice problem. Very less people can give the answer. To this problem, time complexity n power 99 by 27. Right? If anyone having any doubt, please let me know. Sir, I have this doubt. You ask me, I will help you. Please check one time. Those people who are listening, can you check one time? Whether you solve, whether I will solve, both are same. If you are getting, whether I will solve, whether you solve, both are same. Umesh is saying that's how to prepare for 3 months. Right? I think all PYQs you solve. Right? All PYQs you solve. All rank improvement courses also you solve. All PYQs you solve. All rank improvement courses also you solve. Right? PYQs first, then rank improvement course next, then test series. 1 month target 1. Umesh, how to not take I loop? Because if you want, you can see the because you can see I value 1. If condition you check, condition fail. I value 2, if condition pass, then you will go inside if. Inside if there is a return. Inside if there is a return. Because of return, right, you have to go out of this function. I value 2, you came inside the if condition. Right, after if condition is over, for loop is running. Afterward there is a return. I value 2 over, you are saying return. Means you will go out of the main program. Yeah, yes, maybe. Right, maybe. They are given to me, right, they are given to me approximately, right, 20 hours. I will try to do as much as I can. Brahmastra batch for algorithm, right, almost like 20 hours they given, right. I will try as much as I can. Check once now. To this program, time complexity is n power 99 by 27. See, I also thought that I loop also required, so I calculated also. I loop is n power 7 by 5. I loop is n power 7 by 5. I calculated also. But at the end, I got to know that I loop is not required because I loop will execute anyhow 2 times. I loop will execute anyhow 2 times only. I thought it is also required, I calculated. So innocently I calculated I loop also, j loop also. Afterwards I got to know that I loop is not required. I loop is not required. Can anyone say? Anyone having any doubt, please let me know. Check once. Anyone having any doubt, please verify. Yeah, that is the answer for this problem. And one more thing. I don't know how many people will give answer. Let me check one small line. I don't know how many people will give. Let me do this small thing. Small change I will do. Can you guess what will be the answer? Small change I will do. What is the answer for that? Please let me know. Small change. What will be the answer if I do small change? One small change there I am doing. Let me check. I don't know how many people will do small change. Can you help me now? What is the answer? See this one. I kept this loop like this. For j loop I kept loop. For j loop I kept bracket. Can anyone guess what is the time complexity of this program? What is the time complexity of this program? For the j I kept bracket. What is the time complexity of this program? I want answer from you. Check one time. For j I kept the bracket. Right, so I think that if condition also no problem. If you remove if condition also there is no effect, because right, even right, odd number don't execute, even will execute. Odd number don't execute, even will execute. So difference by only constant. So that if condition also don't have any sense. If you remove also no problem. Now can you help me now? What is the time complexity of this program? Let me check. Listen, I value 1, this condition fail, so I don't go inside. See this one, I value 2, everyone listen, I value 2, this condition pass. I value 2, this condition pass, go inside. When you go inside, listen, when you go inside, j value 1 condition is satisfied. Afterwards statement will execute return. See, j value 1 condition satisfied, the statement will execute, there is a return also. What is the answer? J value 1 itself you are returning. I value 2 times, j value 1 time. So overall if you see constant, time complexity order of 1. I value 2 times, j value 1 time, time complexity constant. See, minor change also there is a difference. If you do minor change, there is a big change. If you do minor change in this program, there is a big difference. Time complexity of this program is order of 1. Time complexity of this program is order of 1. If you do minor change also. Those people who are having doubt, please let me know, I will help you. Sir, I have this doubt. You ask me, I will help you. Sir, this is my doubt. You ask me, I will help you. Yes, there is a RIB. RIB is there. RIB is there. See, if you take plus class, RIB is there. If you take the plus class, RIB is there. For almost like 7 subjects there is a RIB. If you take the plus class, for 7 subjects there is a RIB. For remaining subjects other teachers will take care. So the 7 subjects I have RIB. Can I go to next problem? Can I go to next problem? Please check those people who are listening. If you don't have any doubt, I will go to the next problem. Right, someone is saying, sir, can you do some more change? See, I am doing one more change also. Can you see this one? I am doing one more change also. Everyone listen, I am doing one more change also. I am doing one more change also. Can you see this? Can you see this one? Listen, this for loop, careful. This for loop is started here. This for loop is started here. I loop is started here. It is ended. Listen, it is ended here. It is ended here. Right? It is ended here. And one more, this if condition. This if condition. This if condition also here. This if condition also here. Can anyone say what is the answer of this? I loop and J loop. I loop is right. I loop and if loop right. Ended here. Ended here. What is the answer of this? Can anyone guess? Now I think after program is over. This one main program last statement is return. In between there is no return. In between there is no return. Then I think this will goes to n power 9 by 7, right? Sorry, n power 7 by 5. This will goes to n power 99 by 27. Now time complexity is going to be, what is the answer? N power 7 by 5 into n power 99 by 27. So this is the time complexity of the program. For modified program, this is the answer. I loop also closing, right? If loop, if condition also closing at here. This is the answer. Yeah, I think right, De Villiers, mostly I will provide. Mostly I will provide. Mostly I will provide. Mostly I will provide. So can we go to next problem? Can we go to next problem? Let's go to next. Let's go to next. Yeah. Can you help me now? Can you help me now? To this program, listen. To this program is not asking, listen. To this program is not asking time complexity. See this one. Is not asking time complexity. Is asking return value of the function is. Return value of the function is. But I want two things. I want time complexity also. I want return value also. I want time complexity also. I want return value also. Can you do this? I want time complexity also. I want return value also. Please can you check once? Time complexity, return value both. Time complexity, return value both. Yeah, verify one time. I want time complexity, return value. Those people who are watching, can you try first? Those people who are watching, can you try first? Please try. Those people who are watching, please try first. Yeah, I want both time complexity, return value. I want time complexity, return value. Both I want. I want time complexity, return value. I want both. I want both. Time complexity, return value. I want both. Yeah, let's see. Let's see one time. Please take care about brackets. Please take care about brackets. I think I loop, J loop, because of no bracket, return is the last statement. After I loop, J loop is over, then return will come because no bracket. If no bracket, one statement only belongs to him. Other statements are not belongs to him. If only, right, if only, right, see some bracket not there, only one statement belongs to him. Right, if bracket is there, many statements may be. Right, now let's start. Let's start now. Can you help me now? I loop is how many times? I want answer from you. I loop is how many times? I started from n by 2. I started from n by 2, always incrementing by 1. I started from n by 2, always incrementing by 1. Right? So I think first I value n by 2, next n by 2 plus 1, next n by 2 plus 2, right? And so on, and so on. I think if you observe clearly, right? I loop is n by 2 times. Always plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Right, always plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. It started from n by 2, right, to reach right n, right, one more n by 2 required. So I loop is n by 2 times. Can you help me now? J loop is how many times? J loop is started from 2, always j multiply by double. I think J loop is log n base 2 times. Check once. I loop is n by 2 times, J loop is always multiply by 2, J loop is log n time. Anyone having any doubt till now, let me know. I loop is n by 2 times, J loop is log n time. I loop is n by 2 times, J loop is log n time. Right. Next one. See this one. I loop is n by 2, J loop is log n. Right. J loop is log n. One statement will execute, it's okay. But time complexity because of inner loops multiply. What is the answer? N by 2 log n, which is nothing but n log n. So time complexity n log n. 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 Check once. Time complexity n log n. I loop is n by 2, J loop is log n. So time complexity means inner loops multiply. N by 2 log n. N by 2 log n. So n log n. Right? Fine. I hope everyone is comfortable. I hope everyone is comfortable. That is the time complexity. Now see the return value. Can you help me now? I loop is n by 2 times, J loop is log n time. It's okay. Every time k value initially 0. Every time you are adding n by 2. See, k value 0. Can you help me now? K value 0. Every time you are adding n by 2. See this one. 0 plus n by 2. Again n by 2. Again n by 2. Again n by 2. I think if you observe clearly, every time n by 2, can you say how many times J loop log n time? How many times J loop log n time? J loop is log n time. Can you help me now? Log n is assumed that 10. Log n is assumed that 10. So every time n by 2, 10 times, right? 10 times n by 2. If at all J loop is log n time, every time n by 2, like that log n time, it will become n by 2, right? It will become n by 2 log n. If 10 times n by 2 into 10. If 20 times n by 2, right? N by 2 into 20. Log n times n by 2 into log n. This is for J loop. I loop is one more n time. I loop is one more n by 2. So I think it will goes to n square log n. So value is going to be n square log n. I loop is n by 2 times, J loop is log n time, every time n by 2. Every time n by 2. So n square by 2 square. 2 square is a constant, you can neglect. N square log n. So return value is n square log n. Return value is n square log n. South Africa is the winner of 2020 World Cup. Arey, Divilivers, go to hell, man. Arey, Divilivers, go to hell. Right. So anyhow, this program, time complexity n log n, return value n squared log n. So those people, listen, those people who are watching this class, I want to give one suggestion to you. Those people who are watching this class, I want to give one suggestion. By seeing the program, don't give answer time complexity. By seeing the program, don't give answer time complexity, because sometimes he will ask you return value. Sometimes he will ask you time complexity. Sometimes he will ask you multiplications. Sometimes he will ask you additions. So by seeing the program, please don't give time complexity. So CSE people are so crazy about time complexity. By seeing the program, they will give time complexity. They don't read the problem also. They are crazy about time complexity of your program. By seeing the program, they will find out time complexity. So my suggestion to all of you is, by seeing the program, please control yourself. By seeing the program, please control. Read the entire problem one time. Please read the entire problem one time. Right? Program doesn't mean the time complexity. Sometimes return value you will ask. Can you say, what is the answer of this problem? Return value n square log n b. Return value n square log n b. Each j value n by 2 you are adding. Each j value n by 2 you are adding. Each j value n by 2 you are adding. So j loop is log n time. Right? N by 2 log n time, n by 2 log n. So I think each I value n by 2 log n. Each I value n by 2 log n. Like that, I loop is n by 2 times. N by 2 into n by 2 log n, which is n square log n. Right. I'm thinking everyone is comfortable. Please check if anyone having doubt. And one more small question I want to ask you. Can you help me? What will be the time complexity of this program? Right? It is not plus, it is into. It is not plus, it is into. What is the time complexity of this program? If anyone knows answer, please let me know. It is not k is equal to k plus. It is a k is equal to k into. What will be the time complexity? In the place of the plus, I kept a star. What is the time complexity? Can anyone help me? What is the time complexity? Can anyone help me? In the place of k plus, I written k into. What will be the time complexity? What will be the time complexity? Can anyone guess? Can anyone guess? What will be the time complexity of this program? Remember, time complexity of the program will change if loops are increasing, loops are decreasing. Time complexity of the program will change. Loops are increasing, loops are decreasing. Loops increasing, loops decreasing, time complexity will change. Because of loops are same, so same time. Loops are same time. Loops are same time. Loops are same, so same time. Right? Sir left. I think Sir left. Vandita saying, I think Sir left. Vandita, open the eyes properly. Vandita, open the eyes properly. If at all any eye problem, please go to hospital. If at all any eye problem, please go to hospital. Please go to hospital. Arey, this much person is right, is keep on shouting, is keep on teaching. Sir left. Sir left. Open the eyes. Please open the eyes. I think she is sleepy. Vandita is sleepy. So can anyone help me now? What will be the return value? For modified program, what is the return value? For modified program, what is the return value? For a modified program, what is the return value? I want answer. Is there anyone who can help me? For a modified program, what is the return value? For a modified program, what is the return value? Yeah, if it is buffering on your side, how can you say SAR is left? If at all buffering from your side, how can you say SAR left? Can anyone help me now? What will be the return value? Can anyone help me? What is the return value? So remember everyone, because of it is a multiplication, see this one, because of the multiplication, 0 into n by 2, into n by 2, into n by 2, into n by 2, it became total 0. It became total 0. It became total 0. So final answer is 0 will come. So please careful. Final answer is 0. He will play some games. In GATE examination, he will play some games. Please careful. Small change he will do. That is the reason. CSE branch by hearting is so difficult. In CSE branch, you cannot by heart. Small change also serious problems will come. If you do small change also serious problem. If you do small change also serious problem. So time complexity will not change because loops increasing, loops decreasing, then only time complexity will change. Loops increasing, loops decreasing, then only time complexity will change. Then only time complexity will change. Please careful. Loops increasing, loops decreasing, then only time complexity will change. Otherwise time complexity will not change. Otherwise time complexity will not change. Is it okay? Right. Yeah, true. But I think Peter, see this one. Peter, order of n square log n true means order of n cube also true. Order of n cube log n also true. But see the option. Option is theta. See, options are, that is the reason he is given the right theta. If not theta, if it is a big O, then it is true. If it is a big O, then answer is B also, C also, D also. If it is a big O, answer is B, C, D. If big O, answer is B, C, D. If omega, answer is going to be, if omega, right? If omega, answer is going to be, which one is correct? If omega, which one is the correct? Assume that, right? If at all theta, only B correct. If it is a big O, B, C, D correct. If it is a omega, what is correct? Can anyone help me? Omega, what is correct? I think only B correct. Omega, only B correct. Check one time. Yeah, I think omega, right? Omega, B correct. Because n square log n is omega of n square log n, true. Right? What about option A? Some people are saying option A. Let's check omega. N square log n is omega of n square, true. N square log n is omega of n square, true. N square log n omega of n square log n, true. N square log n omega of n cube, no. N square log n omega of n cube log n, no. Answer is at that time AB correct. Right? If omega AB correct, If theta B correct, right? If big O BCD correct, if big O BCD correct, right? That's fine. Everyone know big O omega theta, right? No need to confuse. No need to confuse. Everyone know big O omega theta. Everyone know big O omega theta. No need to confuse. To this problem, answer is B. Can you help me now? Can you help me now? How many people will you? What is the, listen, what is the return value? What is the return value? What is the return value? K is equal to K into N by 2, where K is 1. What is the answer? What is the return value? What is the return value? What is the return value? K is 1. K is equal to K into N by 2. Can anyone help me? What is the answer? Check one time. I am expecting answer. K value initially not 0, 1. K is equal to K into N by 2. Can you say properly what will be the return value? Time complexity same. Because loops not increasing, loops not decreasing. Time complexity same. Time complexity same. Check once. So what is the answer for this? Yeah, fine, that's okay. Just I'm joking. Just I'm joking. No, sorry, nothing. No, sorry, nothing. Why are you saying sorry? Just I'm joking. Just I'm joking. No, sorry, nothing. What will be the answer? If K is equal to K into N by 2, what is the return value? I will do once. Can you see this? I will do once. I will do once. See this one. This loop is repeating log n time. This loop is repeating log n time. See the first time. This loop is repeating log n time. 1 into N by 2. First time. Again N by 2. Again N by 2. Again N by 2. So you only say, listen, you only say, listen, you only say 2 times N by 2 multiplied N by 2 into N by 2. It is N by 2 whole square. 2 times N by 2 multiplied, right? N by 2 whole square. If 20 times N by 2 multiplied, if 20 times N by 2 multiplied, 20 times multiplied N by 2 whole power 20. If at all N by 2 is multiplied log n time, this will become N by 2 log n, whole power log n, in the power, right? N by 2 multiplied 20 times N by 2 whole power 20, log n time N by 2 whole power log n, N by 2 whole power log n, N by 2 whole power log n. So remember, I is equal to 1, this much. I is equal to 1, this much. Be careful, I is equal to 1, this much. Can you help me now? I is equal to 2, same thing will happen. N by 2, right, log n. Again multiplied, N by 2 log n. Next one, I is equal to 3, same, N by 2 log n. So if you observe clearly, it will become N by 2 whole power N log n. N by 2 whole power N log n. N by 2 whole power N log n. In the previous case, n by 2 n log n below. See this one. Whenever it is a addition, see this one. Whenever it is a addition, right? N by, right? This one. N times n log n. N by 2 times n log n. In the case of addition, n by 2 times n log n. But in the case of multiplication, n by 2 times n log n. So please be careful. Please be careful. You should be very strong. You cannot do small mistake also. If you do small mistake, you are the victim. If you do small mistake, you are the victim. N power, right? Answer is going to be n power n log n. Answer is n power n log n. Answer is n power n log n. So instead of saying n power n log n, say n by 2 n log n. N by 2 whole power n log n. N by 2 whole power n log n. N by 2 whole power n log n. See, delivers below, see this one. Delivers below 2 the upper is n log n. So it is become n power n log n by 2 power n log n. Because of their function, you cannot neglect. Because of their functions, you cannot neglect. Upper is n power n log n, below is 2 power n log n. So because of their functions, you cannot neglect. Because of their functions, you cannot neglect. Is it okay? Is there anyone who is having doubt? Remember, if it is 0, answer is 0. If it is 0, answer is 0. Time complexity is same n log n. Right? If it is a multiplication, right? K value 0, totally 0 will come. Right? Fine. That is perfect. Can I go to next problem? Can I go to next problem? Can I go to next problem? Right. Let me try this. I think this is the answer. This is the next problem. Can you try this also? I think I done also. See, I think same thing I done. But small change I done. Please be careful. Small change I done. What is the return value of the function? Small change. Please be careful. What will be the answer for this? Arey Ritesh, I still remember your Telugu language. I still remember your Telugu language in the plus class. You killed us. You killed all of us. I still remember your plus class, right? In your Telugu language, you killed us. Because of your Telugu, I want to die. After listening your Telugu language, I want to die. I tried also. Somehow God is saved me. Somehow God is saved me. Can anyone guess what will be the answer? What is the, see, I want for this program time complexity also, return value also. Please, can you do this? If you really understood the previous story, previous problem, if you really understood, can you give answer for this? Small change I done. Small change I done. Time complexity, I want return value, I want time complexity, I want return value also. Yeah, can you help me now? Can you help me now? I loop is how many time? Remember, I loop is log n time. J loop also log n time. I loop is log n time. J loop also log n time. Both are log n, and one more. See this one. Because of no bracket, this return no relation. Because of no bracket, this return is no relation. So log n log n. What is the answer? Log n log n. What is the answer? Log n square. So time complexity of this program is log n square. Time complexity is log n square. Time complexity not log n whole square. Time complexity, right? We go off log n square. Time complexity we go off log n square. Now can you see the value, return value? Can you see the return value? See this one. Can you see the return value? What is the answer? Every time n by 2 multiplied. Every time n by 2 multiplied. N by 2 is multiplied. N by 2 is multiplied. How many times? N by 2 is multiplied how many times? Is log n square times. N by 2 is multiplied log n square times. So it will become n by 2 whole power log n square. This is a big off. Check if I done anything wrong. Check if I done anything wrong. So time complexity is log n square. Oh, sorry. I forgotten. I didn't see it properly. See this one. It is always, listen everyone now. It is a small mistake what the people. I done the mistake, same mistake you will also do. I done the small mistake, mostly same mistake you will do. See this one. I is equal to 2 into I. I is equal to 2 into I. Right? It is log n. It is log n. If it start from 1, but it started from n by 2. It is started from n by 2. In the next step only it will become. It started from n by 2. If it start from 1 log n. Because of it started from n by 2 into 2 means next step only. I think everyone know this I loop is constant. One time only. If anyone done, right? If anyone done the same mistake, whatever way I done, please remember it. Please remember. Unknowingly I done the mistake. Unknowingly. I didn't see the I value. I is always incrementing by 2 log n. But because of it started from n by 2, already enough work is done into 2. I think 1 round only. So I loop is 1 round, J loop is log n, time complexity log n. Just square cancel. Time complexity is log n, square cancel. So this is 1. Right, next one. What about value? Same. What is the answer? N by 2 log n time. Right? Answer is n by 2 whole power log n. Yeah, exactly. The person who said time complexity log n, thank you. The person who said time complexity log n, thank you, you are correct. If it start from 1, then answer is whatever I said, that is correct. If it start from n by 2, then answer is going to be time complexity log n. Return value is n by 2 whole power log n. Return value is n by 2 whole power log n. Yeah, please check if anything wrong anyway. Please check if anything anywhere wrong. Is it okay? Someone is saying it is a 2 log n. Someone is saying it is a 2 log n. Let's try that also. Can you help me now? Let's try that also. Can you help me now? Is I is equal to 1 working? Is I is equal to 1 working? I is equal to 1 working? Yes. I is equal to 2 also working? Someone is saying 2 log n. I will check that also. Can you say I is equal to 1 working? I is equal to 1. I value n by 2. I is equal to 2 also working. It will become n. That is also. I is equal to next one fail. I think see this is actually 2 times. True. Whatever you said true. It will become both will be executed. 2 log n. Asymptotically log n. But because of value in the power. value in the power. Time complexity 2 log n means log n. Time complexity is 2 log n means log n. But if you see the value n by 2, n by 2, n by 2, 2 log n time. Because in the power, because of it is in the power, n by 2, it will become 2 log n. If you want, you can write that also. In the power, constant also matters. In the power, constant also matters. Right? In the power, constant also matters. Yeah, that one I understood. Right? In the power, constant also. Normally, we will neglect the constant, so I neglected. Because of it is a value, in the power, constant also matters. Right? So, please take care. These small mistakes, whatever I done, you also mostly you will do. Please remember, don't repeat again. Please remember, don't repeat again. I will do one more time. Whatever I done, so I will write properly. If anyone is confused, right? In the power, constant also matters. Below constant doesn't matter. In the power, constants also matters. In the power, constants also matters. Only for name's sake, I will do once again. Only for name's sake, I will do once again. Right? So this I loop is 2 times. This j loop is log n time. So time complexity 2 log n, which is big O of log n. Yeah, that is the time complexity. Fine. Now see the value. N by 2, n by 2, n by 2. How many times? Whole power 2 log n time, which will become n by 2 whole power 2 log n. N by 2 whole power 2 log n. That's it. So please, you no need to confuse. Nothing there. Right? Whatever mistakes you done, remember. That is the reason before exam you have to do enough practice. Before exam you have to do enough practice. Right. Now listen. Listen everyone. One small thing I want to ask you. What is the answer you are going to do? Suppose that there is a bracket like this. Suppose assume there is a bracket like this. Can you help me now? I loop is how many times? Suppose assume there is a bracket like this. Can you say I loop is how many times? Suppose assume that bracket is like this. I loop is how many times? 1 time. If bracket is like this, I loop is 1 time. I loop is 1 time. Then time complexity will not change. Value becomes n by 2 whole power log n. Because right, I value first time you are returning k. I value at the time only 1 time. Right? Fine. Now can you help me now? Only for namesake. See the interesting answer. Only for namesake. If loop is right, if the bracket is like this, can you help me now? If the bracket is like this, I loop is how many times? Can anyone help me now? If the bracket is like this, I loop is how many times? If the bracket is like this, I loop is how many times? If the bracket is like this, I loop is how many times? 1 time. I loop 1 time. Because whenever j stopped, I also will stop. Whenever j stopped, I also will stop. J stopped means I also will stop. Can you help me now? To this modified program, what is the time complexity? To this modified program, what is the time complexity? To this modified program, what is the time complexity? I think I value 1, I value n by 2, you will come inside. J value 2, you will come inside. Return k, I think time complexity 1. To this modified program, time complexity 1. To this modified program, time complexity 1. Can you say what is the k value that time? I value 1 time, j value 1 time. So k into n by 2. K value 1. 1 into n by 2. N by 2. At that time k value n by 2. Because I also 1 time, j also 1 time. N by 2. I also one time, J also one time. Right? Fine. Everyone is fine. So whatever, listen everyone now. Whatever mistakes you done, whatever mistakes I done, remember. Whatever mistakes you done, whatever mistakes I done, remember, don't repeat. Remember and don't repeat. Right? I hope you are really comfortable. I hope you are really comfortable. Let's go to next. Let's go to next. Yeah. So this one, what is the answer? So anyone having till now any doubt, let me know. Anyone having any doubt till now, let me know. Right? Can you help me? What is the answer for this? Can you help me for this problem? What is the answer? For this problem, what will be the answer? You have to apply, because of more than one function call, because of more than one function call, you have to apply recursive tree method. More than one function call, you have to apply recursive tree method. Tn is equal to Tn by 5 plus T7n by 10 plus C. Tn is equal to Tn by 5 plus T7n by 10 plus C. Please solve it using recursive tree method, because more than one function call, you have to apply recursive tree method. Can you check one time? Those people who are watching, can you try this and let me know what is the answer? Let me know the answer. Those people who are watching, please solve it. Those people who are solving, right? Those people who are watching, can you solve it using recursive tree method? Tn is equal to Tn by 5, T7n by 10 plus C. Let me write here. Tn is equal to Tn by 5, T7n by 10 plus C. Tn is equal to Tn by 5 plus T7n by 10 plus C. Right? You have to solve it. How? right? Let's see. Let's start one by one. Recursive tree method. Listen, recursive tree method n. So n. Recursive tree method n. So n will be divided into two parts. Left side is right, multiply by 1 by 5. Right side is multiply by 7 by 10. This is the way how they divided. N will be divided into two parts. Left multiply by 1 by 5, right multiplied by 7 by 10. And one more. The cost for this story, because you divided, right? N divided into two parts. Left multiply by 1 by 5, right multiply by 7 by 10. So you done the two parts. It will take, right, cost C. It will take cost C. Same thing you should repeat. Because of recursion, same thing you should repeat. So what is the answer? Left multiply by 1 by 5. Right multiply by 7 by 10. Next one. Again, left multiply by 1 by 5. Right multiply by 7 by 10. So, but everyone know this will take C. This will take C. Total is 2C. So I think you got to know first level, second level different. First level C, second level 2C. Because in the first level 1 function called 1C, in the second level 2 function called 2C, in the next level 4 function called 4C. 4C means 2 square C. If you observe clearly, first level, second level differ means series coming. First level, second level differ means series coming. So it is looking like 2 power 0C, 2 power 1C, 2 square C. If you continue further, it will become 2 cube C. It is the 2 square C. It is the 2 cube C. If you continue further, it will become 2 power 4C. It will keep on expanding. It will keep on expanding. Right? If you continue like this one, remember, left is always multiply by 1 by 5. Multiply by 1 by 5 is nothing but divide by 5 by 1 means 5. Divide by 5. If you continue like this one, left always you are dividing by 5. Multiply by 1 by 5 means divide by 1 by 5. You are always left hand side, right? Divide by 5. Divide by 5 means, so left side if you observe, what is the answer? N levels are there. N by 5 means, sorry for this. Always you are dividing 5. Left side is log n base 5 levels. Left side you are always dividing by 5, right? So answer is going to be left side is log n base 5 levels. Right side if you observe, right side always you are multiplying by 7 by 10 means divide by 10 by 7. Divide by, right? So multiply by 7 by 10 means divide by, right? Divide by 10 by 7. Divide by, right? 10 by 7. Right? So if you divide always by 10 by 7, the number of levels you will get is, log n base, right? Log n base 10 by 7. Left side is you are always dividing by 5, log n base 5 levels. Right side you are always dividing by, 10 by 7, so log n base 7. Can you help me now? Log n base 5, log n base 10 by 7, which one smaller? 10 by 7 means 1 point something. Log n base 5, log n base 1 point something, right? Base is small means bigger value. Base is big means smaller value. That means if you observe clearly, left height is less. Right? Left is dividing by big number, right is dividing by small number. Left height is log n base 5, right height is log n base 10 by 7. So, right side more, left side is less. Right? Left side is less. So, I think then you will get the upper bound, lower bound. Actually, left side is less. Right side is more, left side is less. Even though it is less. Right? I am taking more. Actually, left side less, right side is more. Even though left less, whatever right side is there, left also I am taking same. Let us assume that, see, this diagram is closed like this. It is the original diagram. Original diagram is like this. Left closed here, because of divide by 5, he closed before only. Divide by 10 by 7 means divide by small number, more levels. Actually, he closed here like this. But this area extra I am taken. Because of you are taken extra, because of, right, I will round in the different color also. This area you are taken extra. This area you are taken extra. This area you are taken extra. Because of this extra, it became a upper bound. Because of this extra, if you want, I will use another color also. Let me use another color. Yeah, I'm using another color. Because they both are mixed, you may be having some problem. So I'm using another color. Yeah, I'm using another color. Now see, this is the extra area. This is the extra area. Please be careful. If you don't take that extra area, listen, if you don't take that extra area, answer is Tn. If you remove that extra area, whatever that green color I written, right? Green color I written, that is the extra. If you remove that green color part, that is the actually Tn. Because of for the actual Tn, you added something extra upper bound. So see the answer. See the answer now. Tn is the actual. Because of you added something extra, whatever will come, that will be more, right? So less than or equal to. Comparing Tn, something more may come. More may come, right? So can you help me now? What is the series? Every level if you observe, right? 2 power 0c, 2 power 1c, 2 square c, and so on, right? Can you help me now? Right side how many levels? 2 power log n base 10 by 7 c. See, I taken the series until log n base 10 by 7, right? I think less than or equal to c common, right? It is the 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 square, and so on. 2 power log n base 10 by 7. 2 power log n base 10 by 7. I think it is the GP less than or equal to some c into it is the GP. Sum of n terms in the GP. What is the answer? Right? A into 1 into r power 2 power. How many terms? Log n base 10 by 7 minus 1 by r minus 1, 2 minus 1. Right? I think if you forget about the constants and all, this will become c into 2 power log n base 10 by 7. Right? I think this can be written as, right? There is a one formula, n will come down, 2 will go up. This will become, right? n power log 2 base 10 by 7. Right? This is because of it the bigger, little bit bigger, big O of n power log 2 base 10 by 7. This is the answer. So this is the upper bound. Right? This is the upper bound. Let's see the lower bound. Let's see the lower bound. Big O means upper bound. Let's see the lower bound. Lower bound means, listen, lower bound means, can you see the diagram? Lower bound means, see this one. Lower bound means, if you observe clearly, actual thing is, right? Actual thing, see the actual thing? Actual thing is, it is stopped here. It came little bit extra here, see, right? This is. So, he stopped at here only. But he is still going further. So, what you do is, lower bound means what you do is, right? Let me take another color. Yeah, black color I am taking. See this one. Actually, he stopped here. He is going further. Even though he is going further, just cut it. Here itself you cut it. Means something you are removing. Because of something you are removing, you will get the lower bound. Comparing Tn, you will get lower bound. Greater than or equal. Tn bigger. 2 power 0c, 2 power 1c, 2 square c, and so on, 2 power log n base 5c. Right? Even though number of levels are less, I am taken. Someone is saying that I am more, I am not taken. That is the reason it became lower bound. It is a greater than or equal to some c into, right? GP series if you solve, right? GP series if you solve a into 1 into, right? R power 2 power log n base 5 minus 1 by r minus 1, 2 minus 1. It will become greater than or equal to, right? 2 power log n base 5. It will become n power log 2 base 5. Because of it is greater than or equal to, right? This can be written as omega of n power log 2 base 5. N power log 2 base 5. So, for this problem, see the final conclusion. The actual answer is Tn. If you take little bit bigger, what is the answer? It will become upper bound. Less than or equal to means upper bound. The actual answer is Tn. Comparing Tn, n power log 2 base 10 by 7 is bigger. Comparing Tn, n power log 2 base 5 is smaller. Smaller means lower bound, bigger means upper bound. Technically this can be written as Tn is big O of n power log 2 base 10 by 7. One more thing, T of n is omega of n power log 2 base 5. So in the option, either this is there, you select. Both are correct. One is upper bound, one is lower bound. So to this problem answer is right. To this problem answer is Tn is equal to big O of n power log 2 base 10 by 7 omega of n power log 2 base 5. These are the answers. Any one can be the answer. Check once. Anyone having any doubt, please let me know. Right. Let's see the next problem. Let's see the next problem. Before going to the next problem, let me say something about Unacademy. Right. So there is a right. Let me say this. If you are preparing for GATE 2024, my suggestion is, start now. If you are preparing for GATE 2024, start now. If you are preparing, right, start now. And one more, if possible, join Unacademy. If you are starting 2024 GATE preparation, start today only. Otherwise, it will be late. Start today. If possible, join today only Unacademy. There is a 15 months plus subscription going on, or iconic subscription. 15 month plus or iconic subscription you can take. This will be the cost. The advantage is one more month extra subscription you will get. If you take 15, you will get the chance of 16. So use the referral code ReddySir. To get that one month extra, right? Use the referral code ReddySir. You can go for plus also, iconic also. And one more, if you are preparing for GATE 2023, today only start now. If anyone is not started, start now. What is the start now? Right? You have to solve PYQs. Start now PYQs. Start now. Last year rank improvement course also, because every course contains approximately 300 questions are there. All quality questions are there. You can see one time. If you are preparing for 2023 GATE exam, start practice today. Start practice now. PYQs you solve, rank improvement course you solve, test series also you can write. These 3 months utilize properly for this. PYQs, RIC test series. Right? I'm repeating once again. PYQs, RIC test series. Right? You please take care. You please take care of this. Right? I'm thinking that you are really comfortable. Let's go to next. Right? There is an Unacademy Lite. See, Unacademy test series also going on. Unacademy test series also going on. Using referral code ReddySir. Unacademy test series also going on. Using referral code ReddySir, you can join for 12 months or 24 months. Using referral code ReddySir, you can join 12 months or 24 months. Right. Next one. If you have some financial problem, you can go for 0% interest EMI. 0% interest EMI, you can go ahead. Next one. Right. It is a very, very important one. Right. If you are preparing for GATE 2024 or GATE 2023, if you are preparing for GATE 2024 or 23, compiler designing is starting. Tomorrow onwards, compiler design will start. At 5 p.m. Tomorrow onwards, compiler design will start from 5 p.m. Use referral code ReddySir, you can join. If you want to get full marks in compiler design, tomorrow onwards, compiler designing is starting. You will get the full marks. Please start with this. And in this batch, in the Vero batch, I'm teaching Algo, DS, programming, compiler design, theory of computation, computer network, discrete mathematics, digital. These are the subjects I am teaching, right, for this batch. So tomorrow I am starting compiler design, right? Don't miss it. Next one. There is a, right, in the Unacademy app, if you see, right, there is an option on the home screen. You are able to see there is an option self-study. If you click on the self-study, you will find out the physical notes, right? Apply for physical notes, right? They will ask some details, address and all, right? So afterwards, confirm the details, then automatically physical notes, physical material will come to your house. Next one. See this one, iconic. You can go for iconic. If your goal is 2024, just take iconic subscription. If your goal is 2024, just take iconic subscription, because if you take iconic, you will get all positive. See, everything is yes. If you take one time iconic subscription, you no need to buy anything. Just take 1 year iconic subscription. Right? So prepare. You are going to get very good rank. If your goal is 2024, join today iconic subscription, but do great work. 1 year rigorously. If you do great work, you will learn many things. You will get a very good rank also. You will learn many things and you will get the very good rank also. Right? Please careful. Right. Let's go to next one. Yeah, I think this one few days back we done. Those people who attended that class, if you know the answer, please let me know, so that we can go quickly to the next one. This problem we done few days back. Few days back we done this. Hi Ahmad. Thank you so much. Ahmad. Same to you. Right. What is the answer for this? Consider the following statements. 1. Let T be a minimum spanning tree of a graph G. Few days back we done. If anyone remember, few days back we done. What is the answer? Right. Remember. First he is saying that in the MST using MST you can find out shortest path between every two people. No. Next one. Right. MST cost cannot go more than n minus 1 into average edge weight. MST cost cannot go more than n minus 1 into average edge cost. There is no relation. Answer is what? Which one is false? He is asking. Right? Both 1 and 2 are false. We done few days back. Right? Can you see this? What is the answer for this? Try this. Yeah. So what is the answer for this? Check once. Consider the following two statements. If all states of an NFA, please remember NFA. If all states of an NFA are accepting states, then the language accepted by NFA is sigma star. No. Because of NFA. If DFA it is true, because of DFA will take care about every person. NFA will take care about only correct people. NFA will take care about only correct people. DFA will take care every person. So this statement is true for DFA, not for NFA. So one is wrong. See the two. There exists a regular language A such that for all languages B, A intersection B is regular. There exists a regular language A such that for all languages B, A intersection B is regular. Can anyone help me now? Let's see this one. There exists a one regular language A. Right? For every language. Right? See this one. There exists a one regular language A such that for all languages B, whatever it may be the language. Right? Some language here. Whatever it may be the language here. Any language. Overall becomes regular. Is it possible? There exists a one regular language A, right? What it is doing is that regular language intersection anything. Any language, it will become regular. Is it possible or not? You take any language here. It is possible. Take this as pi. Take this as pi. Pi intersection a power n, b power n. Pi. Pi intersection a power n, b power n, c power n. Pi. Pi is a regular. I think it is true. So, second statement is true. There exists a regular language A such that for all languages B, A intersection B is regular language. Which one of the following is correct? What is the answer? 1 is wrong, 2 is true. 1 is wrong, 2 is true. Can you help me? Only 1 is true. Only 2 is. I think B is the answer. Only 2 is true. If anyone having doubt, please let me know. Sir, I have this doubt. You ask me, I will help you. True. See, in the case of N of A don't cover everything. D of A will cover everything. N of A don't cover everything. D of A. So, in the N of A, some states don't have any transition. But in the D of A, every person should have transition. So, in a N of A, every state is final. You cannot give guarantee sigma star. In the D of A, every state is final. You can give guarantee. Yeah, someone is saying, please explain the first statement. Can you help me now? Everyone listen. Everyone listen. Everyone listen. See this? See this correctly. N of A, see this one. N of A for all strings, N of A for all strings starts with AB. N of A, I am constructing N of A for all strings starts with AB. All strings starts with AB. See this one? S1 state, S2 state, S3 state. N of A, where every string starts with AB. After AB, anything, no problem. Can anyone help you now? Will you agree? This is the N of A, where everything starting with AB. It will accept or not? Please check. I constructed N of A, where every string starts with AB should accept. Is it correct or not? This is the N of A, where everything starts with the AB string. Is it right or wrong? Is it right or wrong? Now let me construct D of A. For the same problem, D of A I am doing. For the same problem, D of A I am doing. Same problem. See this one? S1, S2, S3, AB. Starts with AB. Right? After AB, anything. After AB, anything. So starts with AB, go to final. Starts with AB, go to final. Starts with AB, afterwards anything is okay. Right? Now listen. After starting with A, afterwards B, in between one more A comes. In between one more A, dead state. After starting with A, right, next B should come. If A comes, go to dead state. What is the dead state behavior itself? Next one. So S1 starting with B, dead state. It is a DFA. It is a DFA. So DFA means, listen, DFA means for every state AB you will cover. DFA means for every state AB you cover. DFA means for every state AB you cover. For every state AB you will cover. That is the meaning of DFA. It is a N of A. N of A means cover only your things. N of A is something like right. N of A is selfish fellow. N of A is a selfish fellow. N of A is a selfish fellow. He will take care about only his things. He don't take care about society. N of A don't take care about society, but D of A will take care about society. Suppose you have some dust. In your house some dust is there. What the N of A will do is, he will throw on the road. Right? In your house some dust is there. In your house some dust is there. What N of A will do is, he is a selfish fellow. He will throw out of the house. On the road he will throw. But D of A is not like that. He is not selfish. He will take care everything. Not only house. Right? He will take care about inside also, outside also. Inside also, outside also, you will take care. Right? Now listen. Now listen now. Now listen. Now listen. In this N of A, if I make every state as final, in this N of A, if I make every state as final, if you want, you can verify. In this N of A, if I make every state as final, see this one. A not accepted. B not accepted. See, some things are not accepted. Next one, BA, some things are not accepted. But in the DFA, if you make every state as final, in the DFA, if you make every state as final, see, everything, B accepted, B and B accepted, AB accepted, BA accepted. So everything accepted. This is sigma star. This is sigma star. DFA, every state is final. Everything accepted. N of A, every state final. Still it is not accepting few. Still it is not accepting few. N of A means non-deterministic person. On the non-deterministic person, you do anything. Non-deterministic only. Because of he is a non-deterministic, you cannot say, right, everything is responsible. DFA is like me. DFA is like me. N of A is like JH. DFA is like me. N of A is like JH. Right? I will explain everything. Every problem I have to explain. But JS will explain only his required things. JS will explain only his required thing. Sometimes he will respond, sometimes he don't respond. Sometimes JS will respond, sometimes he don't respond. So JS is like N of A, I am DFA, because everything I have to explain. I have to explain everything. N of A, right? Vandita is like N of A. JS is like N of A. Yeah, JRF is N of A. Right? JRF is N of A. JS also N of A. Rohit also. So I think Dhirendra came now only. Dhirendra came now only. He is the worst N of A. He came now only. Dhirendra came now only. He is the worst N of A. He came now only. Suddenly Dhirendra came and he is saying, why first one? Why first one is not correct? Jayendra came suddenly. He is the worst N of A. He came now only. He came now only. Right. Let's go to next problem. I think you are fine. You are perfect. So answer is only second is 2. Yeah. Can you help me now? Consider the basic block given below. One basic block is given. The minimum number of nodes and edges, right, present in the DAG. Representation of the above basic block, right, respectively are. What is the answer? Can you help me? What is the answer for this? The minimum number of nodes and edges present in the DAG representation of above basic block respectively are. I think it is the DAG representation. You have to construct a DAG. You have to construct a DAG. I think DAG, right? DAG don't do, right? For everything they don't create the nodes. If same thing is there, you don't do again. See this one. It is also B plus C. It is also B plus C. Listen, it is also B plus C, it is also B plus C. Can anyone help me now? B plus C is equal to A. Listen, B plus C is equal to A. B plus C is equal to D. I think both are same or not. You may say that, sir, after this one more statement came. See, because of one more statement, listen, because of one more, C updated. C updated. Remember everyone, see, B plus C is A. B plus C is A, right? Using that A plus B is C. What is the meaning? I think this expression, both are not same. The reason is here C different. Here C different. Please careful. It looks like both are same, but they both are not same. It looks like first line, third line same. It looks like first line, third line same, but they are not same. Because in between there is a C which is updated, right? That updated value third statement is using. Remember, A and D not same. First statement, third statement not same. Please be careful. Please be careful. Are you okay? First statement, third statement not same. Because in between there is a C which is updating. Right? Fine. Right. Now listen, you only say one small question I want to ask you. A is equal to E plus B. Listen. So that is the one thing which you have to take care in that whenever you are constructing a DAG, you have to take care of this predication. Are they really same or not? You have to take care. Can anyone help me now? Any two people who are looking similar. Any two people, first one, third one looking similar, but they are not similar. First one, third one looking similar, but they are not similar. Can you see any other person who is similar? Any other person who is similar? So, I think directly no one visible same. Directly no one visible same. That's fine. Directly no one visible same. I think 1 and 3 visible same, but they are not same. I tried directly no one same. Two people look same, but they are not same also. That's okay. But let's see directly no one. Directly no one. Now see the next story. What is the one more thing you do? Directly no one, right? These two look same, but actually they are not same. Actually these people are not same. Okay. Now see the one more thing. A is equal to E plus B. Listen. A is equal to E plus B. A is equal to E plus B. A is equal to E plus B. Listen. A is equal to E plus B. Can you help me now? A is equal to E plus this E. Can I replace E by E possibility? Yes. Replace. E replaced by D minus B. Already plus B there. Both are cancelled. So remember, A means D. A means D. So directly no one is same. Then you have to go like this. A is equal to E plus B. E replaced by D minus B. D minus B plus B. Minus B plus B both cancel. So from this conclusion you got is A is equal to, right? A is equal to D. This is the conclusion you got. In the similar way, can you do any cancellation like that? In the similar way, can you do any cancellation? Let's see. See everyone, this also. E is equal to D minus B. What is the D? E is equal to D minus B. Right? What is the D? D means B plus C. Right? Minus B already there. Minus B plus B cancel. It is C. So I think it will goes to E is equal to C. It is going to be E is equal to C. First any problem is given. If you want to construct a DAG, first verify any people are looking directly same. Please verify they are really same. No. Now indirectly how to check same like this. This is the indirect way of saying. I hope everyone is comfortable. See this one. Remember everyone. A means D. E means C. Be careful. Right? Be careful. A means D. E means C. Now I think let me start one by one. Can you help me now? Listen everyone now. B plus C is equal to A. This is A. First line over. Careful. So I think the two things I done. Some people are asking, sir, listen, whenever directly not same, what you do is start from bottom. Whenever directly you are unable to do, directly nothing there, start from bottom, any cancellation possible, whatever way I done, do like that. Okay, I done that also. Fine. Some people are asking, sir, you done this fine, you done this also fine, but why you are not going further? Because afterwards all are plus only, nothing will change. Afterwards all are plus only, nothing will change because no cancellation. See, because of see, it is a plus, it is a minus, I verified. It is a minus, it is a plus, I verified. But afterwards all plus only, no use. No use. When directly equal, consider. If they are really directly equal, consider. If not, start from bottom, any cancellation possible do. Okay, after cancellation is over, you got E equal to C, A is equal to D. Okay, I think you got conclusion. Now start from top. A is equal to B plus C. So B plus C is A. First line over. Can you see the second line? C is equal to A plus D. C is equal to A plus D. It is the A plus D. A plus D. Second also completed. See the third one. See the third one. D is equal to, listen, third one. D is equal to B plus C. 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 So what is the answer? D is equal to B plus C means, I think, is the new C? Yes. C is equal to A plus D I done. So it is the C. Fine. It is the new C. If you see the third line, D is equal to B plus C. It is the B. It is the C. It is the new C. Right? So I think D is equal to B plus C plus B and C. It is the D. It is the D. That is also fine. Right? That is also fine. I think third line also completed. Now see the fourth line. I think fourth line we are already done. What is the answer? E is equal to C. E is equal to C. What is the meaning? Whatever is C, E also same. Wherever C there, this is E also. That is the meaning. What is the fifth line? Fifth line you are already done. A is equal to D. Whatever D, that is A also. That is A also. So like that. Like that you have to do. So the final answer is this one. This is the final answer. This is the final answer. Right? So last two lines, what are the last two lines saying is E is equal to C. Whatever C, E also same. What is the last line? Whatever D, A also same. Whatever is D, A also same. Now after completion of this, can you verify here? Can you verify here in the final answer whatever you got? Right? How many edges are there? Can you count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Check one time. First to try directly. If not possible directly, start from bottom. Any cancellation possible, cancel. Some people are asking, sir, how you know cancellation possible? See, positive, negative is there. Cancellation may be possible. If at all are same, no cancellation. If all are same symbol, no cancellation. Right, you are fine now. Until now you are fine. Because of you are really comfortable, answer is going to be 6 edges. I think how many vertices? 6 vertices. Right, can you go here? What is the answer of this? What is the time complexity of this problem? What is the time complexity of this problem? Can you check? Yeah, can you verify this? What is the answer of this? If you keep the third line in the second place, then both are same. If you swap in this problem, second line, third line, if you swap, second line, third line, if you swap, then what happened is, right, first line, second line same at that time. Then calculate one time only. Then no need to calculate twice. A is equal to B plus C. Next one, D is equal to B plus C. Means both are same. No need to calculate. Suppose assume that I am trying this one. See, these two things if I swap, see what will happen. These two things if I swap, what I will do is, right, see this one, B plus C. So B plus C is A, first line over. Because of second line, third line swapped, D is equal to B plus C. It is a D also. No need to calculate twice. It is a D also. B plus C is A, and one more, B plus C is D also. Now afterwards, third line and I think C is one. And one more. Directly possible to simplify, it's okay. But cancellation is there, you can cancel also. If cancellation is there, you can cancel also. If any cancellation is there, you can cancel also. Careful. If any cancellation is there, you can cancel also. Are you getting? Any cancellation possible, you can cancel also. Remaining story same. Because of they both are same, do one time. Further any cancellation, so negative positive cancelling, cancel. No problem. No objection. Right? That is the thing what the JS asked. Right. Fine. Perfect. Let's go to this problem. Yeah. What is the time complexity of this problem? What is the time complexity of this problem? Recursive program time complexity, if you want to find out, write recurrence relation and solve it. Recursive program time complexity, if you want to calculate, right, write the recurrence relation, solve. Can you help me now? Can you help me now? You only say, if n is less than or equal to 1, return n square plus n plus 1. Can you help me now? In this area, any loop is there? No. No loop. No loop is there. No function call also. See this one. Function call means f. F is the function call. So, termination condition, no loop is there, no function call. So, this will take constant time. This will take constant time. Now, go to else part. Else part is more important. Else part. Can you help me now? In the else part, any loop is there? No. No loop. But function calls are there. Right? See, recursive program time complexity, if you want to calculate, write the recurrence relation. Write the recurrence relation. How the recurrence relation? See the answer. T of n is equal to. T of n is equal to. See this one, T of n. Why T of n? F of n is T of n time. F of n is T of n time. If f of n is T of n, f of n by 2, T of n by 2. F of n by 2, T of n by 2. F of n is T of n, f of n by 2, T of n by 2. F of n by 2, T of n by 2. Okay, okay, that's okay, that's okay. But afterwards, please verify. Afterwards, please verify. Any loop is there? No. Remaining all will take constant. Remaining all will take constant. Right? Tn is equal to Tn by 2. One more Tn by 2. Remaining all constant because of no loop is there. Which will become 2Tn by 2 plus C. Which is nothing but 2Tn by 2 plus C. Using master theorem, f of n is C. N power log A base B is n power log 2 base 2, which is nothing but n. 1 is C, 1 is n. So n is bigger. Whoever is bigger, that is the answer. Whoever is bigger is the answer. So time complexity of this problem is n. It looks so danger. It looks so danger. It looks so danger, but time complexity is n. Right? Time complexity is n. It looks so danger, but time complexity is n. Right? F of n by 2, f of n by 2. So, f of n by 2 time complexity Tn by 2, f of n by 2 time complexity Tn by 2, overall is C. So, 2Tn by 2 plus C. Right? So, someone is written log n, right? Someone is written log n, right? Because of two function calls are there. Log n you don't get, you will get the binary tree. Log n you don't get, you will get the binary tree. Right? So, apply the substitution method or master theorem or a recursive tree method. Everything is possible for this problem. For this problem, everything possible. If anyone is not getting, in our actual class, we done many problems. Because of only one problem you are not getting. For our actual problem, we done many. Actual problem, we done many. Right? So, if you join the iconic course, you will find out on the time complexity approximately 50 questions. Approximately 50 questions. right? Approximately 50, you will get everything clearly. Because of one or two problems I am saying for every model, right? It may not be possible to get everything. It may not be possible to get everything. Check if anyone having any doubt. Sir, this is my doubt. You ask me, I will help you. Right, I think everyone is fine. I think everyone is fine here, right? So I'm stopping here. In the next class we will see remaining. In the next class I will see remaining. Right? Fine. So those 2024 people, please join Iconic for the 1 year or 2 years course. It will be really beneficial to you. Your life will be definitely molded in the better way. 2024 is your goal. Iconic subscription you take seriously, you try, you will get it. 2023 people, start practicing PYQs, start practicing revising, start practicing RIC, start practicing test series. Right? 2023 people, please do practice. Practice is very important. And one more thing is, compiler designing is starting tomorrow. Tomorrow 5 p.m. compiler designing is starting. Tomorrow 5 p.m. compiler designing is starting. Don't miss it. Don't miss it. Tomorrow 5 p.m. compiler design starting. Don't miss it. Right? You can use the referral code ReddySir, right, if you want to join for Iconic. Right? Fine. Thank you so much. See you in the next class. Right? Thank you. Thank you so much. See you in the next class.